Yeah, we broke off the back part. But we didn't really make them into custom blocks. We only made like notices on how we like this from this part on. It's for example from this after we do this after the programming. From this part on, it's the tsunami thing.
Yeah. So you did commenting.
Yeah, we did commenting.
Cool. And what are you guys most proud of on your robot?
Apparently this.
Okay.
Because it's the most successful one.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are the other ones like how successful is the robot generally when you're running it?
Sometimes it is successful because, for example, this was one of the first ones we actually tried to do.
Right.
This one was actually pretty successful and it's pretty easy because all we had to do is make it go forward. And also this,
Yeah.
This one is also pretty successful because
It's the same sort of thing, yeah.
just walk around.
What do you watch for with the sensors when you're picking up these two? Do you just aim?
Oh, for those two, we didn't really use the
Okay,
sensors.
so the light you're using for the tree, so that you can find this spot,
Yeah.
and then
At first, for these two, we used the gyro sensor.
Yeah.
gyro. Yeah.
Oh, how did you use that?
Angle.
Oh.
Until we found the gyro sensor was a bit of not accurate.
Yeah,
Oh,
once you put it
okay.
like not moving position, it turns. Like,
Ah, yeah.
Okay. And then you're still using it or not?
No,
Okay.
not again.
Interesting.
Cool.
It's under here, it's in here.
under here.
Oh wow.
If you would want to get rid of pieces of your robot, is there anything you could eliminate?
Apparently the
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So in the end, you were able to do. Did you do the obstacles? Because you have your attachment for those, right?
Yes.
And you do the truck and the ambulance and the tree, and the tsunami and the airplane, and the dog and the cat. Is that right?
Yeah.
Cool.
How did you make your robot for those you
Excuse the
only go a
interruption,
certain
if there is a
distance?
nick to the main office.
Go a known distance. Basically,
Yeah.
how do we calculate the distance?
Yeah.
We just like, first of all, we just like, the raw distance, we just move it around and connect it to the computer and see how long's how long. And then, because
okay.
it shows when
It tells you? How,
yeah, the EV3 software, if you connect it, either Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, whatever, it tells you the data from which the motors or the sensors are giving in. So that's a way to know. But then after we know the distance, about where we need it, we just, if it fails, we just change the
You
number.
test it, yeah.
Mm,
To get it really, really specific.
cool. And how do you guys usually test it? What do you do
On the
for
field.
testing?
We just
Okay.
like start from the beginning.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Did anything not work, and then you decided that you were going to change it to make it better? Like when you tried it, you're like, oh, this is totally not working. We're going to do something totally different. Or you
Yeah, this one is pretty much very different from the first one. Like we started at the beginning of September raising. At that time, it's like this is way higher. It's a bit higher, and then the motors are down here more, and the tread tracks are more inwards. And we didn't really have that much of a good grabbing system because all we relied on grabbing is
one stick.
yeah, it's just a stick.
Oh, okay.
It's great,
Very
guys. It looks
nice.
really nice.
Yeah. Do you use the backlight sensors for anything?
Oh, we tried to use the backlight sensors for this thing, which is to
Yeah.
sense these two lines and then turn this, and use
Okay.
that attachment to actually push the.
The truck?
Right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Except we found that it's very difficult because the
Yeah.
tread tracks are not that much accurate for both of them to look
Okay.
to sense it at the same time, either do this or that or this.
Oh,
So then
okay.
we just gave that idea up and we
So
did.
how do you do the ambulance and the truck now then?
Yeah, just.
It's just like a blind person walking, just like.
Okay.
We know that if we move forward like 10 steps, we won't run into anything.
So
just
you
like
come
that.
forward, you turn, and then you go that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Sort of like that.
Cool. And how often does that work? Is it like out of 10 times?
It's
What would you
pretty
think?
workable if we actually test it out. But like when we change the batteries, because we had to lift it up,
Oh,
we had to like sort of redo this a bit because some of the hardware moved.
So at the end,
Not tight.
you're using the light sensors pretty much for the tree because that's
Yeah.
the one that was the most complicated where you needed that. Okay. Nice.
Cool.
That's great, guys. Good job.
Yeah, good work. Very good work.
Okay, cool. Thanks for coming. We won't keep you anymore. You have to get ready for your truck competition.
Thanks.